Been having problems with the G-Tech Air Ram today. Started smelling. So when you're running it, hoovering away, you can smell like the motor burning, getting a bit hot. So I'm going to have to take it apart, have an investigation and see what's going on with it. I'm going to start, the brush bar seems to be really tight. So I'm thinking it must be binding, which is causing the motor to overheat. Let's strip it down and see what's going on. Okay, so we're going to remove this brush bar where it's all gunked up down the bottom here. Take out the front screw, take out the back screw, just pull that one up. It's a bit tight, but it does come. Pull and twist. And then lift that out and then slide the bar out of there. You can actually see how it's all got in behind. It's got in behind this little motor seal here, or the shaft seal. That's one side out. Paintbrush in there, let's give it a bit of a super. It's got two ends on it. We've got the locator end that goes onto the pinion there. And then we slot this back in. A little tab in the bottom first. Just locate that into the bearing. Push it down. Look at me fumbling with this screw trying to get it in, look. I'll fumbling the fingers. After a bit of perseverance though, it'll go in. I just start it off with a screwdriver. Squeeze that one down with the lecky just to just gently though, not too much, and then I'll just finish it off with the other screwdriver, just by hand. I don't want to crack it because it's plastic. Then we just repeat the whole process the same with the other side. It's all that rinsing and messing about. Just get your airline, bit of pressure in it, grab hold of your filter boxes, just gentle blow off the top, pull them out. Oh, can you see that? One done. Pop that back in again. Second one. There we go. Nice and easy, nice and clean. These airlines are fantastic. I know your Lidls and your Audis often have little compressors for sale. They're not too bad, they're about 50-60 quid. Brilliant. For doing stuff like this, really, really good. Let's pop them back in. So there we have that, all nicely blown out and clean. We just put those filters back into the position. Just give that a quick get rid of that out of there, and then we'll pop this lid back on here, back in place, and fasten it up. Super. I'll go and give that a bash outside and blow it out again. Pop the lid back on that. And I've got guys. Nice, clean, serviced G-Tech. Job's a good one. Oh, I've sucked the cloth up that I've put on my table. There we have it. One G-Tech air amp, nice and clean, filters clean, brush bar clean. Hopefully going to survive a few more rounds around the house. If that's been of any use to you, drop me a comment if you don't like or like what I've done. Give me a thumbs up and wait for the next video. Thanks for watching.